name's Feffrey, and this is a song about these cute little ocean creatures called squiddles. Wake up in the morning, there's a brand new day ahead. The sun is bright and the clouds smile down, and all your friends are dead. But the ocean is so friendly, the bright blue diamond stratosphere. And you know you're gonna have buckets of fun as soon as you can get out of here. Running from Skipper Plumthroat, last night he murdered all of your friends. Hiding from Skipper Plumthroat, you've gotta run from your end. He came last night when you were all asleep, and you narrowly avoided death. You hid behind a rock while he got to work, and now there's nobody to tangle with. You swim and you swim and you swim some more to find a new squiddle colony. And though there's hope, you really can't help but feel just a little bit lonely. Running from Skipper Plumthroat, why must squiddles meet such an end? Hiding from Skipper Plumthroat, it's time to make new squiddle friends. Squiddles are social creatures, squiddles need friends. Even when they have squiddle fights, they always make amends. Squiddles are peaceful plushes, squiddles would never hurt you. They tangle you up in a big friendship ball. Ooh. Running from Skipper Plumthroat, why must squiddles meet such an end? Hiding from Skipper Plumthroat, it's time to make new squiddle friends. It's time to make new squiddle friends.